Welcome to ETN Solutions Private Limited, where vision meets innovation and technology meets transformation. Founded in 2016, reconciliation and settlement are the backbone of every financial operation, but when done manually, they're slow, error-prone, and difficult to track. That's why we created the Reconciliation and Settlement Portal, a complete platform to automate and streamline your reconciliation workflows. Most teams work blindly, without real-time insights into reconciliation status or pending mismatches. Our dashboard provides a live snapshot of ongoing reconciliation activities, file uploads, matched and unmatched records, and settlement progress. It's a command center that gives you total operational visibility of the whole process. In Dashboard, Operator operates all the process. In Manager section, Manager can check the work status of the operator. And overall in Executive section, Executive can check the whole work from the Executive dashboard. Managing multiple file formats, delayed uploads, and mismatches across sources increases the risk of financial discrepancies. Our configuration module simplifies and secures the entire process. Input file, upload transaction and settlement files from banks, switches, or processors. Recon process, automatically compare source versus settlement data with built-in matching rules. Output file, generate accurate, clean, and on-it-ready reports that reflect matched, unmatched entries. All automated, all accurate. Teams waste hours digging through spreadsheets just to locate a single failed or unmatched transaction. The inquiry section enables you to search transactions by date and days or status, instantly view transaction flow, match history, and recon results, so you can act quickly and confidently. Adjusting reconciliation logic often requires IT support and delays operational flexibility. Our setup section lets you configure match parameters, file formats, field mapping, and thresholds without any coding. Set it once or adjust it anytime to adapt to your business logic. Without secure access control, sensitive financial data is exposed to risks, errors, and compliance issues. The administration section allows role-based user access, permissions, and activity logs. Control who sees what, who processes what, and maintain full audit trails for compliance and security. That is all about ETN reconciliation application. If you find it interesting, contact us to know more about our platform. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for latest updates. You can call or WhatsApp us on following number $. Visit our website to know more about us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.